for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Ram 3500. Ram 3500 is a solid option for truck buyers in need of hauling capacity and serious towing. With names like Hemi and Cummins under the hood, there's plenty of muscle to back it up. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, backup camera, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, stability control, dual airbags, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, four-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, center armrest, MP3 player, rear window defroster, power door locks, compass. Your new ride is just a phone call away.